Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today we're gonna make some banana bread, but I wanna do it in one shot, or almost one shot. So we're gonna prepare the whole thing and get it in the oven inside of 3 minutes, all right? So we got our bananas peeled already here. These are Mona Lisa bananas. So we're gonna take our bananas, we're gonna put them in a bowl. We've got 8 bananas here, but they're smaller than regular bananas. So probably like 3 or 4 regular sized bananas would work. And all we're gonna do is mash these bananas up a little bit. Then we get a couple eggs. We'll put our eggs right in there. We're gonna beat those eggs along with it. And all we're doing is just grinding up our bananas and our eggs together. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. Usually a capful, maybe overflow that cap a little bit. A pinch of nutmeg. And a little dash of salt. Now we're gonna mix that mixture together. We don't have to get it super fine. We wanna get the big chunks of bananas out of there. It smells good. That vanilla extract really does it. Now, a lot of times I like to put, I don't really like chocolate chips in mine, but I like to put like walnuts, or sometimes I like to put coconut in there. Coconut flakes go really good in there. So we're also gonna get our sugar. So I'm generally gonna put about a scoop of sugar. I'm not sure how much that comes out to, about a ½ cup. If your bananas are really ripe, you don't need a lot of sugar. You can do this with very little sugar, because the bananas are really gonna be sweet for you. And if your bananas are not very ripe, then you're gonna need a lot more sugar. But I like to use ripe bananas, bananas that I wanna basically throw away. Those are the kind of bananas you wanna put inside there. Now I'm gonna take some flour, and I'm not really gonna measure the flour. I just wanna have enough flour that I can get the right consistency for my dough. So I've got about 5 of these scoops of flour here. I think that should be pretty good. I'm gonna get a little bit of baking powder, like about a teaspoon of baking powder, maybe a pinch more. And we're also gonna get a little bit of butter. Get a little bit of butter here. That's probably about a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna mix that butter in. And we want soft butter, but you don't want the butter to be hot. So basically we've got all our ingredients that we mentioned before inside this bowl here. And now we're gonna whisk our baking powder in with our flour, and the whole thing's gonna go in this pot here. I think we've got about enough flour there. I don't like to measure too much. I like to go by feel. I find that gives me the best results. I kind of know how I want my things to feel and how I want the consistency to be. Now, a lot of people like to add chocolate chips. I love chocolate, but I don't like chocolate and fruit mixed together for some reason. It just doesn't work for me. So we've got our dough here. It smells really good. We're done with our fork. We get our wooden spoon. Give this a final mix. And look at that consistency. That's about what we want. We want it kind of puddingy, kind of doughy, but kind of sticky. All right? So now we're gonna fill our bowl, our Tupperware dish that we've already greased up with some butter. Alrighty. How are we doing for time? Oh wow, we're over 4 minutes already. All right, well, we can call this 5-minute banana bread. And I'm gonna show you guys the results at the end of this here. So we are gonna have to edit this video just a little bit, but we did the whole thing in about 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes. We've got banana bread that is ready to go into the oven. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. You can throw chocolate chips on top of this if you want right now. You can put it straight in the oven. We're just gonna put it straight in the oven. Turn you over to the oven. We've got the oven, it's almost at 339, we're good enough. We want to get that oven to 350. We're going to put that in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to check it to see how it is. All right, guys, we're going to check and see what we got here. And it looks like we've got a beautiful banana bread. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. See ya. Bye.